Not at all. This is, if at all, a tribute to the two tallest leaders and the two leaders that we look up to. One is, of course, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and the second is our Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis ji. The reason being one quality that both share, which is integrity, and the second, which is most important, is a vision. And a vision for the state of Maharashtra and a vision for the country called India. I'd like to, at the outset, thank Honorable Chief Minister for being here. Subhash Desai ji, who is probably the most proactive, humble Industries Minister of Maharashtra. Praveen Pote Patil ji, who is our Minister of State for Industries. Two dynamic officers because of which this event was possible in Mumbai. One being Apurva Chandra ji, our Industries Secretary, and the second, the low-profile Bhushan Gagrani ji. From MIDC up until now, here on, I'm sure there will be a huge mantle for the city of Mumbai. I'd like to thank our three eminent industry leaders, all of whom have their own recognition, their own, what shall I say, their own contribution, whether it is an industry leader like Mr. Adi Godrej, who has employed lakhs and lakhs of Indians and taught them how to dream, or a philanthropist come industrialist in Rajshri Birla, who is absolutely an example for most women who want to be in the space of philanthropy. contributing towards the industry, and the original and the only maker in this entire zone called Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, where the Bollywood and industry leaders like him are looked up to, not just in India, but world over. Most people ask why this book, and I say that, we must realize the amount of people who have put together this mammoth project called the Make in India Week. And under Make in India, we had a magnetic Maharashtra, which was something that was visited by lakhs and lakhs of people. But this is not just about MOUs, this is about a vision. And very, very briefly, I want to read a little excerpt of what as a foreword. One may resist the invasion of armies, but nothing in the world can stop an idea whose time has come. Almost 2 centuries ago, a French poet and novelist, Victor Hugo, proclaimed this truth. And while I have been following the visionary concepts and accomplishments of our own respected leaders, Prime Minister Modi, I cannot help but marvel at the deep synergy between some of the world's greatest thought leaders and that of our Prime Minister's dream for India. Today, in times when the whole world is in a state of constant turmoil, economically, environmentally, socially, it takes a really daring step to brace one's nation and one's people against the challenges of the time and lead them from the front, so that they become strong enough to find their feet on the global map. No more subsidies, freebies, softs, the only mantra being empowerment. None other than our Honorable Prime Minister has had the vision and weather it all to make this come true for a nation like India, and Make in India is one solid step towards making this far-sighted vision a reality. For a leader who has traversed the globe to understand how his nation and his multi-dimensional potential is perceived by people, leaders and races from virtually all significant vantage points, Make in India is more than a campaign or a road show. As people may tend to assume, it is far, far beyond. It is a culmination of the dreams of 2 strong leaders, Narendra Modi and Devendra Fadnavis, in the state of Maharashtra to execute by creating this melting pot of all his earnest negotiations overseas and the diplomacy that we cherish. It is the biggest platform that will serve as the karma bhumi for Indian youth, business acumen, entrepreneurial spirit, and know-how in the times to come. As Modi ji has rightly said, the world is looking at India with renewed sense of hope and confidence. The future of Asia and the world economies now lies in our hands, and we are charged to achieve the lion's share. A nation of globally aligned manufacturers, ideators, innovators, designers, disruptors, and developers, and most importantly, opinion makers. As thinkers, inventors, doers, and makers, we have always done this individually on foreign shores. But the Make in India platform promises us an opportunity to do it together as a nation, as a people, and as a force to reckon with. It is to this unified force that we know as our motherland, our Bharat, our India, and to all global giants who will now join hands with us to partner in this giant initiative, that I dedicate this compilation, Movers and Makers, as a humble spirit and a humble tribute to the spirit of enterprise that has been ignited with the staging of the Make in India Week in my and your beautiful city called Mumbai. This is a small tribute to all the people who have put it together, and for me personally, as a maker and a designer myself, it was absolutely an enthralling experience to put together an installation at Make in India in the Maharashtra Pavilion, where we had over 25 designers working with traditional textiles of Maharashtra. And as a small tribute to the Make in India vision, this was followed up by the textile show, for which I'd like to thank all the dignitaries here. It was iconic because not only was it at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya, but it was also the spellbound audience that realized the magic of what belongs to us in Maharashtra, the Paithani and the traditional silks, which we have for long forgotten but have revived. And from this great stage of ours, just one component of this multi-dimensional experience, which in itself is a tribute through this book called Movers and Makers, a compilation of all that we've seen in Naked India. And Devendraji, I would just like to say in conclusion, it is a pleasure to work with a leader like yourself who allows an idea to grow. And I hope that this idea will be implemented and grown from strength to strength with all your able officers and of course with the leadership of Subhash Desai ji as well. This is the first time that Shah Rukh Khan has come to, may I say, this is the first time to Sahyadri Guest House. And I'm glad that as a Maharashtrian and as somebody who resides in Maharashtra, here to be here with us on this proud moment of unveiling genuinely a tribute to hosting this event in Mumbai. So thank you all, thank you Rajshri ji, thank you Adi ji, thank you Pote Patil ji, Bhushan ji and Apurva ji, and of course to all of you for being here. I only want to say that Mumbai is truly a magical city, Maharashtra a phenomenal state, and India a country that the world better watch out for. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, and with pride, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आदरणीय शाइना जी। अब इसके बाद मैं उस व्यक्तित्व को आवाज देने जा रहा हूं जो करोड़ों दिलों की धड़कन है, बस किंग खान आदरणीय शाहरुख खान जी की गुजारिश है कि अपने ख्यालात यहाँ पर इजहार करें। एक बार जोरदार तालियों से हम उनका यहाँ पे स्वागत करें। Good afternoon, good evening, as the case may be, to everyone here, and greetings to the Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Mr. Fadnavis, and all the dignitaries present on stage, friends from business circles, all of you people here present, and the media. And a big thank you to my old friend Shaina for calling me here. Old not in terms of age, so I didn't mean it like that. Old because I've known her for years. And thank you, Shaina, for always inviting us for these goodnesses she keeps doing every now and then. As we know, Make in India is perhaps, according to me at least, the single most important initiative by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Which propels companies in India, multinationals in India, and even companies abroad to make the products in our own country, in our own land. Thereby, of course, as we all know, creating job opportunities, skill enhancement. I've been explained in 25 different sectors of our economy. The business houses, as my friends know, it increases a huge amount of capital coming into the country. And for me, the biggest turn-on, if I may say so, is the fact, the introduction of new technologies, which I believe is going to create a new era of modernization for generations to come. This book, which Shaina has printed, devised and designed, apart from the saris that she does, actually captures not only the event, but the results of this laudable event, which was held in Mumbai, our own city. And not only does it historically record the initiative, I think somewhere it's a source of inspiration for other proposals to come forward to take Make in India go even further. And the most proud moment for all of us is, as Mumbaikars, is that it was held in our city. Unfortunately, I couldn't come. I was shooting in Gujarat that time. I really wanted to be a part of it. It was held in our city, and I want to genuinely compliment the Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Mr. Fadnavis, and his team of management to create such a mega event and make it such a colossal success. This book, which Shaina has put, is not just a photo journal. I think we should time and again go through it and figure out in our own small ways. हम सब कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हैं अपने काम में, अपने धंधे में, अपनी जगह में, जो मेक इन इंडिया को और आगे बढ़ा सकता है and हमारी कंट्री को और प्राउड कर सकता है. So I'm really thankful for having me over here, and thank you for this great initiative, and thank you, Shaina. I would speak a little more, but I need to take a tour of the Sahyadri Guest House. God bless you all. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आदरणीय शरद मोदी ज्यांचं चिंतनात महाराष्ट्र हे कायमचं देशाचं शक्तिस्थान राहिलं आहे, ज्याला मॅग्नेटिक महाराष्ट्रात जगातील नेत्यांचे
राज्याचे उद्योग मंत्री श्री सुभाष देसाई जी उद्योग राज्यमंत्री श्री प्रवीण पोटे पाटील जी, सुप्रसिद्ध अभिनेते श्री शाहरुख खान जी, सुप्रसिद्ध उद्योगपती श्री अदिल उदरेज जी, श्रीमती राजश्री बिर्ला जी, ज्यांनी या ठिकाणी या पुस्तकाचं कॉन्सेप्ट तयार करण्यापासून ते पब्लिश करण्यापर्यंत सर्व कार्य केलं त्या श्रीमती शायना एमसी, उद्योग विभागाचे सचिव श्री अपूर्व चंद्र, श्री भूषण गगरानी, या ठिकाणी उपस्थित सर्व सन्माननीय अतिथी आणि उपस्थित सर्व भगिनी बंधूंनो, मी शायना एमसी यांचं मनपूर्वक अभिनंदन करतो आणि आभार मानतो. एक अतिशय चांगलं डॉक्युमेंटेशन आणि कंपायलेशन मेक इन इंडिया च्या धर्तीवर त्यांनी या ठिकाणी केलं आणि मूव्हर्स अँड मेकर्स या टायटल खाली हा जो एक संपूर्ण 7 दिवसाचा सोहळा मुंबईला अनुभवला, तो सोहळा कॅप्चर करण्याचं काम शायनाजींनी या पुस्तकाच्या माध्यमातून या ठिकाणी केलं आहे. आपले माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीजी यांनी मेक इन इंडिया हा विषय आपल्यासमोर मांडला आणि अतिशय चांगल्या शब्दात त्यांनी सांगितलं की इंडिया हॅज 3 Ds: डेमोग्राफी, डेमोक्रेसी अँड डिमांड. And on the basis of these 3 Ds, India can lead the way for world to become new manufacturing hub. We have seen that past 20-30 years, China has acted as factory of world. The entire world consumption was taken care of by China for nearly 3 decades. But now, the demography in China and almost all developed countries, including Japan, Europe, America, the demography is changing. All these countries are aging, and the human resource which is required to fuel their economy, resource which is required for manufacturing, is not available with these countries. And with a population of more than 1 billion, and out of this billion plus population, with 65% of the population below 35 years of age and 50% of the population below 25 years of age, the demographic advantage which India has is immense. And if we leverage this demographic advantage, if this population is converted into human resource, employed gainfully, India can become a manufacturing hub for entire world. And I think the idea behind Make in India is to make India a leader into manufacturing. And as rightly said by Honorable Prime Minister, on one hand, we have this demography. On the other hand, the best thing about India is democracy. The democracy in India is so vibrant. It's the biggest democracy of the world. And it is a dependable democracy. And apart from that, a billion plus population with such huge domestic demand, what else do you require to make in India? So we wanted to showcase the entire world that look, we have everything, we have all the potential, and we can be the leader. And that is why this Make in India Week was organized. And I'm so happy that with all the efforts from our team of industries department headed by Honorable Shri Subhash Desai ji, it became a huge success. And for Maharashtra, we could enter into MOUs worth 8 lakh crores, which would generate employment potential of 30 lakhs. And I think from the varied sectors, the response which we got and the interest which was shown by various countries, various developed economies to invest into India is very encouraging, and I'm sure that this dream of Make in India will be accomplished in near future. And all these deliberations, all those meetings which happened there, all the various events are well captured by Shaina ji in this book. In fact, while going through the book, I became a little bit nostalgic because those 7 days for us were challenging but encouraging as well. So I feel that this documentation of the events is very important, because after the event is over, when the new people come to us, this is the best thing which we can present them. And with this coffee table book, it speaks for our strength. So with a coffee table book presented to a new investor, he understands the strength of Maharashtra. He understands what Maharashtra stands for. He understands what the Prime Minister's dream is. So I think this is an immense contribution of Shaina ji towards Make in India. Although even in the Make in India Week, she was quite instrumental in organizing various programs. Even the curtain raiser at Mr. Subhash Desai's residence, which she organized, could see the participation of who's who from the industries, and from that day, the ball started rolling. And I'm happy that today, in fact, from our side, from the government side, normally we do a lot of work, but we don't compile our work. We don't create the documents, which I feel is very essential. And Shaina ji, you have done a great job. So I would like to congratulate you. आणि मी या निमित्ताने सुभाष देसाई साहेबांचं, प्रवीण पोटेजींचं मनपूर्वक अभिनंदन करतो. आमचे अपूर्व चंद्र आणि भूषण गगराणी यांनी प्रचंड मेहनत घेतली. सुरेंद्र बागळे असतील, एक पूर्ण टीम प्रचंड मेहनत या सगळ्याच्या करता घेतली, आणि त्यामुळेच हा कार्यक्रम चांगल्या प्रकारे या ठिकाणी यशस्वी होऊ शकला. त्यांचे मी अभिनंदन करतो. आणि या बुक रिलीज करता शाहरुख खान जी, जे स्वतः एक आयकॉन आहेत आणि खऱ्या अर्थानं जसं शायनाजींनी सांगितलं की एक प्राऊड मुंबईकर किंवा महाराष्ट्रीयन आहेत, आणि महाराष्ट्रालाही अत्यंत आनंद आहे की त्यांच्यासारख्या व्यक्ती आज महाराष्ट्रात राहतो. अदी गोदरेज जी असतील, राजश्री बिर्ला जी असतील, ज्यांनी महाराष्ट्राला एक नवीन उंची दिलेली आहे, महाराष्ट्राला वेगळं नाव दिलेलं आहे. आणि अशा सगळ्या लोकांच्या उपस्थितीत हा सोहळा या ठिकाणी पार पडला. त्याबद्दल यांचे देखील मी अतिशय मनपूर्वक या ठिकाणी आभार मानतो. आणि या कार्यक्रमाची संधी त्यांना जी तुम्ही मला दिली त्याबद्दल तुमचे आभार मानून माझे 2 शब्द संपवतो. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.